This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Lovely 3-bedroom 1-bath home with many updates. Home is very clean and well maintained. Updated galley kitchen, appliances included plus washer/dryer too. Recent flooring, front door and amp, storm, Lennox gas furnace 12 2019, efficient tankless water heater and water softener included. Amazing outdoor space, covered rear patio, privacy fenced rear yard with 3 access gates, and don't miss the mini barn access from rear of detached garage. 24x20 oversized 2+ car insulated detached garage. Above ground pool not open this year, was in working order when shut last year. Seller just got tired of maintaining the pool and chose not to open it. For more information, review the details below.